Hey y'all, it's Ella here from Calling Tennessee Home, and today I want to share with you how I make my morning latte every single day. Today I'm going to use the Coffeeza capsules. Big shout out to them for sending me some of these hazelnut ones to give a go. In my original line espresso maker over there, and I make this latte every single morning without fail, when I'm at home at least, unless I'm traveling with my Nespresso, which sometimes happens too. I'm gonna use the hazelnut version this morning. I love a good latte in the morning, and nothing beats it than, making it at home and doing it exactly how you like. Today I have the hazelnut coffee. These are flavored coffee pods. One of the biggest things I look for when buying pods from my original line Nespresso maker, I have the Latissima, is that they are in aluminum capsules. I feel like they work a little bit better than if you buy pods or capsules that are plastic. This specific one is actually an intensity 7. I kind of stay in the 6, 7, 8 range for kind of a more medium flavor. Each one of these actually comes with 10 capsules inside, and they come as a set of 4, so you get 40 total. These guys, let's give it a test. Let's turn this bad boy on. So in the morning, I love to make a latte. I usually use 2 pods or 2 capsules. So I'm gonna just set those out there till we're ready here. And then I'm gonna froth some milk to go on top. I have my NESPRESSO machine pre-programmed to the exact water amount I'd like with each capsule. I'm actually gonna run 2 capsules and then just a bit of milk for my latte. But sometimes I like to make an Americano and I'll put some extra warm water in there. Let's do it again. I think our milk is done. Look at all that crema on top. This is gonna be delicious. I'm just gonna add my frothed milk and I'll give it a quick stir. It smells wonderful. Delicious. Again, these were the Hazelnut Coffeeza capsules for the original line Nespresso maker or espresso makers. If you're looking for a really great aluminum capsule that might be flavored already, like this hazelnut, this is the way to go.